Zentail's import tool is a powerful and flexible way to manage your catalog more efficiently. You can use this tool to import data into Zentail, to make bulk changes to your catalog, as well as to view and download previous imports. Preparing a CSV for import. There are a few rules to remember when preparing a CSV before you import it into Zentail. In general, the first column should be SKU, all in caps. And files must be saved in CSV format. Attempting to import an XLS or an XLSX will likely fail. Here's an example of a sample CSV ready to be imported into Zentail. This example includes the SKUs, as well as the title, color, and size for each SKU. If you were to import this into your Zentail catalog, and the SKUs did not yet exist, by default, the SKUs will be created in Zentail, and each of the three attributes would have the proper title, color, and size data attached. If you import a file like this when the SKUs already exist, then the title, color, and size previously stored in Zentail will be overwritten with the new values, or if the values were identical to what already exists in Zentail, the attributes will be left alone. Import data into Zentail. Import can be found at the top right of your catalog page. The pop-up menu lets you navigate quickly to some of the more commonly used import templates. Importing data allows you to make bulk edits to your catalog. First, select the Import Data tab on the Import page. Next, select the template you want to import from the list on the left, or simply use the Templateless Product Data Import option. Using the Advanced Options link, you can access additional options for your upload, including Insert Only, Overwrite with Blank Data, and Create New SKUs. Insert Only mode allows you to upload a file into Zentail that will only fill in blank data in your catalog. Any data that already exists in Zentail will not be overwritten by data in the file. You can use this to safely add new data to Zentail in bulk without compromising any existing, high-quality data already in Zentail. Overwrite data in Zentail with blank data in the import. This option will take all values from your imported file, including blanks, and overwrite what you have in Zentail before the import. If this option is disabled, blank attributes in the import will just be ignored. Create new SKUs in Zentail if they don't already exist. This determines whether or not you want the import to add a new SKU for each SKU in the first column that doesn't already exist in Zentail. If you're creating new SKUs, this should be on. If you're just updating existing products, this can be disabled. Click Upload File. Select the CSV you'd like to upload and click Next Step. You'll see the validation phase again. This is checking the CSV to make sure everything within it is valid before performing the import, as well as allowing you to preview the first few lines of the imported CSV. Verify that the information displayed looks correct and that you do not have any validation errors that need to be corrected. Select the fields you want to import. If you only want to import data from a subset of the total columns in your file, simply uncheck the columns you want to ignore. SKU is always selected since it's required for all imports. And then click Import. Once the import has begun, you can track its progress on the Import History tab. You can access and download the files that you've previously imported into Zentail or exported from Zentail. To do so, navigate to your Import page on Zentail, select the Import History tab, and then you can use the download icon to download any historical import.